today I'm bringing you an easy 10-minute walking workout. We're gonna sprinkle in some arm exercises to not only make it a leg party today. If you have a fitness, health, or step tracker, make sure to switch it on to track your progress. And then put on some shoes, and whenever you're ready, let's start the party. Ready? Let's catch the music, and you start whenever you're ready. Bring some active movements into your ankles and add the arms. Here we go. Yes, couple is joining our walking party today. Let's go. Bring the knees a little bit higher and breathe. Let's add some wrist circles as you walk. Good, shoulders low. 4, 3, reverse the circle. Here we go, other side. 4, 3, sweep the arms up over the side. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in that positive energy and breathe out everything you don't need anymore. Grow as you inhale. And exhale, release. Good. Let's go 2 more. And then keep the arms high, interlace the fingers. Now keep walking. I know it's a challenge to move the upper body here as well. Let's try. Move the torso from right to left. Good. To the side and back to center. Now engage the core, draw the navel in towards the spine. Let's try this for a few times again. Open up your lateral flank here. To the left. Keep walking, keep walking. And 2 more. Amazing. Last round here. And now try to round your spine. Look to your belly button. And come back up. Exhale, round. Inhale, lengthen. Let's go 2 more. Enjoy the stretch in your back muscles. Last round. And then stay upright. Relax your arms, relax your fingers, and keep walking. Let's collect some steps together. Good. Right, left. Go with me. So you have right, left. You got it? All right. We continue with a little variation. Have a look. Open, close. Whenever you're ready, follow me. It's a V step. So we open, we're stepping into the corners of our imaginary V here, lying on the floor. All right. When you got the feet movement, prepare for the arms. So we extend and back. Right, left. Give me a strong fist. Power mode on. Pull the shoulder blades together and into the lower back. Keep stepping. Strong shoulders. Good. Roll through your feet. Start from the heel and end with the toes. 4 more. 3, 2. Come back to walking. Right, left. Keep the arms high. Elbows at shoulder height. Now give me 1 tap. Tap and left, right. Now we switch the rhythm. Left, right. Whenever you're ready, these steps. Now we start with the left leg, right? Good. There's always one leading foot. It's the left. And left. Good. Don't think about it too much. Just let it flow and add the arms whenever you're ready. Strong shoulders, strong arms. Good. Give me that soft bend in your knees. Maybe bend a little bit more. Ha. Let's get down low. Last 4, 3. Keep the arms extended. Come back into the marching. Left, right. Left, right. Come on, bring the knees a little bit higher. Left, right. When you feel comfortable with your legs, we're gonna move the arms. So circle back. Close the rib arches. Keep the strong core. Don't allow to flutter it out. Ha. Keep it active. And then let's speed it up. Double time the arms. Ha, ha, ha. Good. Keep moving the arms. I'm gonna switch up the feet. We're gonna go for a knee lift in 4, 3. Slow it down, bring the knees up. Left, right, left, right. And keep circling the arms. If you need a break in your shoulders, check it out and come back stronger. Let's warm up your hip. Let's strengthen the front thigh and the hip flexor. All right, stop the arm movements. We're gonna switch it up here. We're gonna move forwards and sideways. Forwards and to the side. Good. Knee up, up. Last 4, 3, 2. Ready? Arms, double time. Let's go. Hup, hup. Keep breathing. Now it's getting warm, right? Last 4, 3, 2. Relax the arms and march it out. We're still here on the left. Left, left. Give your shoulders a nice shake. And prepare for tapping backwards. In 4, 3. I show you the movement from this side. You tap, back, back. So we're gonna open up the hips here again. In the knee lift, we bend the hip, and now we're gonna open. Squeeze the glutes. Good. Whenever you're ready, bring back up the arms. Palms are facing down, shoulders low. Now work diagonally, which means right arm, left leg. Got it? We're gonna pull back for the back muscles. Here we go. Now pull. Imagine cracking it up with the shoulder blades. Hup, and pull. Good job. Take your time to get used to this sweet arm and leg coordination. Hup, hup. The last 4, 3, 2. Keep the arms extended and walk. Good. Now give me a basic step to the back. I show you the movement from the side. So you're gonna left, right. So you keep walking. But you step to the back and to the front. Whenever you're ready, join me. That's always left, right. Hit the beat, hit the music. When you feel comfortable with the arms, it's just optional. Focus on the legs. But if you got it, you push and pull. Now we're gonna work with both arms. Push and pull, push and pull, push away and pull it in. Negative energy away, and the positive things, you grab it and pull it towards you. That's what you need. Push, pull. Keep the elbows high at shoulder height. Woo! Last 4, 3, 2. March it out, relax the arms. We're gonna switch to the other side. So give me one tap whenever you're ready with the right foot. Hop and march. Now you switch. The leading foot is the right one. Whenever you're ready, go with me for the basic. To the back and front. To the back and front. Step, step. So we always keep walking. We're always collecting that steps. Whenever you're ready, you're gonna add the arms. So push and pull, push and pull. When you step backwards, you extend the arms. Up. Again, elbows high. Work for the shoulders and the mid-back muscles. Let's go. 8 more. 7. Keep the elbows high. 4, 3, 2. Last one, march it out. Let's go. Keep the arms long. Shoulders low. Tension into your fingertips. Keep walking. Right, right, right. We're gonna tap forwards with the heels. Ready? Let's go. And right and left. Whenever you're ready, we're gonna lift the arms. Up, lower, up, lower. Strong core. Double time, let's go. Hop, hop, woo. Last round here. Keep up the good energy. Hop, and down, up, down, up, down. Breathe. Shoulders low. And feel. 7 more. 6. Let's go. Shoulders low. Long neck. Last 4, 3, 2, march it out. Woo! The legs. Give your shoulders a nice shake. Amazing, wow. This was an energy booster. Feels so good to move, to walk, to connect with the body. Hope to see you soon on the mat again. Good work! Team, thank you so much for moving with me. I hope you liked this workout. If yes, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. And if this was just your warm-up, then check out this workout over here. See you there.